मुत्तहिदा कौमी मूवमेंट के अरकान कौमी असम्बली की 2 करारदादें आज हाउस में जेर बहस लाई गई। एक हजारा सूबा क़याम के लिए खैबर पख्तूनख्वा में, और दूसरी करारदाद एक देरीना अवामी मुतालबा जुनूबी पंजाब सूबा या जुनूबी पंजाब सूबों के क़याम के लिए।
Today we've had, as a continuation of the last few days, this turmoil in the National Assembly regarding a standoff between different political parties over the issue of creation of new provinces. It intensified today, so much so that they actually had to adjourn the session, or suspend it rather, for a little while. This is a continuation. Actually, it's the debate, not in the debate. It's not a constructive debate thus far. Thus far, it's only been it's been an exchange of accusations and more rhetoric than an actual debate on the pros and cons of provinces. So that has it reached a boiling point today. We saw several lines drawn in terms of who's supporting what and for what reason. So that it became pretty clear in the National Assembly who's going to be supporting what move and why.
हमने इंतजामी बुनियादों पर पंजाब में और ख़ास तौर पर जनूबी पंजाब में सूबों के क़याम की बात की और हज़ारा इलाके को सूबा बनाने की बात की।
In order to create these new provinces, after in the spirit of the 18th Amendment and devolution, these decisions need to be taken first by the provincial assemblies, not by the National Assembly. Okay, the provinces first need to pass this, and then the National Assembly can take it up and pass. And whoever has the authority actually to carve it up should then take the next step. But the first step needs to be taken by the provinces, which has not been the case. The PMLQ has submitted a resolution supporting the province in South Punjab. If I'm not mistaken, it is based on the Saraiki province in line with its coalition partners' wishes. But that resolution has not been taken up yet in the Punjab Assembly. As far as the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Assembly and Hazara goes, that has not been taken up at all over there. So that, I mean, putting the cart before the horse and actually asking the National Assembly to take up these issues is wrong, and that is why there is so much anger at the MQM.
तो मामला फिर क्या है जिसकी वजह से ये सख्त जबान इस्तेमाल की गई? बात यह है कि कहा जा रहा है कराची की जमात कोई 5-6 बार रोस्ट्रम पर आकर ये कहा गया।
The other issue also is that if you divide provinces and create units based on ethnicity and language and all language, what you're doing is that you're setting precedents, dangerous precedents in terms of other areas. Now next you're going to want a northern Balochistan province, for example, which is by and large not Baloch but Pashto speaking. You're going to want that. Then since we're talking provinces, we can go back to that infamous, the Jinnapur issue where you want Urdu speaking provinces. So you're setting a dangerous precedent, and what you're doing is that what the ANP and a few others and the PMLN has very interestingly hinted at is that the MQM has only pushed for these other 2 provinces because down the line it will push for its own province. It doesn't want to go the direct route, so it's going indirect, and then once the precedent is there, then you strike. That is a bit far-fetched at the moment, but once the precedent is there, who knows?